In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add the Facebook pixel, also called the Meta pixel, to your Squarespace website. This helps you track visitor activity so you can better understand your audience and improve your marketing results. Let's get started. First, make sure you already have your Facebook pixel ID. You can find this inside your Facebook or Meta Ads Manager. If you have not created one yet, set it up there first. Then copy the pixel ID. Now go to your Squarespace account and log in. From the home menu, open Settings, then go to Marketing. Inside the Marketing section, look for the option called Meta Pixel and Ads. Here you will see a field where you can paste your pixel ID. Simply paste the ID you copied from Facebook into this box. Double check that it is correct. Then click Save. Once saved, your Squarespace site is now connected to your Facebook pixel. From this point, Facebook will begin tracking key actions such as page views, sign-ups, and purchases. This data will help you improve your ads, target the right audience, and understand what is working on your website. If you run into any issues, you can always check the Facebook Business Help Center or Squarespace support for troubleshooting. And that's it. You've successfully added the Facebook pixel to your Squarespace website. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more simple website tutorials.